I would like to thank everyone for the emails with comments and questions on the half-wave vertical antenna article that was in QST. I greatly appreciate all the interest in it, and I wanted to post a short video today to answer a question that I received a few days ago. The question was, can rigid aluminum tubing be used for the radiator? The answer to that question is yes, and I actually have a 15-meter vertical here at home made from rigid tubing that I ordered from DX Engineering. The antenna would support itself okay, but I did add Kevlar guy wires to it as it was swaying too much in the wind. The guys really helped stabilize it. I use the same matching section that I use with wire radiators, but the aluminum tubing version radiator had to be 65 centimeters longer because there is no dielectric affecting the velocity factor. Here is what the VSWR looked like on the original wire radiator antenna. And going to the rigid tubing, we have a much flatter VSWR. And that makes sense because the conductor is larger in diameter, so you would expect a higher bandwidth. Here's what the antenna looks like on the ground. I didn't have quite enough tubing, so I used some 12-gauge solid copper wire to go from the tubing down to my matching section, using hose clamps to make a good connection to the tubing. Here's a guy wire support that is nothing more than a kitchen cutting board that has been drilled and cut. I use that for a lot of projects, and it's easy to work and quite durable. I've painted the entire mast a matte color, either gray or brown, to avoid any reflections that might make it more visible. I've done some testing, and that paint has no effect on the lengths that you need. Here's the Kevlar guy line that I use. It's quite strong and easy to manipulate. So go ahead and build one of these antennas and have fun working some DX. Thanks again for watching.